Hi everyone, today we are going to know about a polar curves. A polar curve is a shape constructed using the polar coordinate system. Polar curves are defined by points that are a variable distance from the origin, depending on the angle measured of the positive x-axis. Polar curves can describe familiar Cartesian shapes such as eclipse as well as some unfamiliar shapes such as cardioids and lemon squares. Then polar equation is any equation that describes the relation between r and theta, where r represents the distance from the pole to point on a curve, and theta represents the counterclockwise angle made by a point on a curve, the pole and the positive x-axis. Then the Cartesian equations can be converted to polar equations using the identities I'll show you in the next step. And even the polar equations can be converted into a Cartesian equations, and using the same identities. The polar equations are tan phi is equal to r d theta by dr, then cot phi is equal to 1 by r dr by d theta. These are the polar equations. Then we'll go for example now. Find the angle between radius vector and tangent of a curve r is equal to a of 1 minus cos theta. The simple thing is we need to log on both sides and differentiate with respect to theta. We'll get equations. We need to apply a formula there. I will show you here. Simple thing. R is equal to a of 1 minus cos theta. Now log on both sides. Log r is equal to log a plus log 1 minus cos theta. Now differentiate it. Log r differentiation is 1 by r differentiation dr by d theta is equal to log a differentiation is 0 plus log 1 minus cos theta is log of x. Assume that log of 1 minus cos theta is log of x. 1 by x is a formula. Therefore 1 by 1 minus cos theta. Cos theta differentiation is sin theta. Therefore sin theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. As we know that cot pi is equal to 1 by r dr by d theta, where we got here the log r differentiation is 1 by r dr by d theta, right? Now write it as cot pi is equal to, now the sin theta by 1 minus cos theta. Sin theta formula is sin theta by 2 and cos theta by 2 divided by 1 minus cos theta formula is 2 sin square theta by 2. Now we get cot pi is equal to 1 sin get cancelled. The remaining will be sin theta by cos theta. Sorry, cos theta by sin theta. We'll get cot theta by 2. Phi is equal to theta by 2. So the angle, radius, vector and tangent of a curve is theta by 2.